Hello, anyone there? Oh, there you are. Welcome to the wonders of computer science. And no, this isn't going to be some kind of school lesson. Instead, we'll be taking a small dive into what builds it. Hope you enjoy. Now, what is computer science? Is it a computer? Nope. Is it glass full of code? Not exactly. Computer science spans a range of topics like programming, networking, and physics, and can support other topics like economics and sociology. We will be going into these topics today. Starting off with programming, Android mobile app development. This software is a process where applications are created for devices that use Android software. The main language used is Java. Using an Android kit, you can also use other languages like C++. This is a very simple app to use for beginners. You can build your own app yourself without any previous knowledge of coding or experience in app development. When you finish building your project on your computer, just plug it into your device and have fun. Networking spanning tree. The main purpose of a spanning tree is to ensure that you do not create loops when you have redundant paths in your network. The loops will be kinda dangerous if they are in your network. All switches in the spanning tree topology have a reference called a root bridge. Across all connected switches have a process of selection that occurs, making the switch with the lowest bridge ID the root bridge. But of course, they have to go through ports, the little cables connected. A designated port is a network segment that is close to the root bridge. A root port is a non-root bridge switch that is close to the root bridge. A disabled port is shut down by the admin. Time for physics with electricity. There are two subatomic particles that are proton and electron. These both have electric forces that either attract or repulse each other by two charged objects. We have conductors and insulators. Conductors are a material which easily lets current pass through. Charged particles can move around, like iron. Insulators are a material that doesn't easily pass through current, like rubber. Now, for another example, when you rub a balloon against a sweater, some electrons come off, leaving the fiber with positive charges, making the balloon attract. Let's try it with another balloon. But this time, when it attracts, we'll take away the sweater. As you can see, both balloons are trying to stay away from each other due to them having the same charge.
Many minutes later.
Congratulations, you made it this far. I hope I didn't bore you. We'll just be getting into the fun part. Now, you're probably thinking, what does all of this have to do with one thing? Well, let me tell you. I experienced firsthand how programming and physics work together in a game that I created. If I didn't have the right mechanics for it, my player would have fallen through the floor and the game wouldn't be possible. Of course, I used a little help because it was my first time, but as you can see, it's very sufficient. Have you recognized these apps? What if I tell you they're networking apps? You can talk to anyone across the world. Well, of course, if you have Wi-Fi. Everything is on a network that can make us express and communicate with each other. Now, you may be thinking, can I make a future job out of this? Of course you can. The computer information technology field is expected to grow by 13%, making it greater demand in highly skilled IT professionals, ever growing as we evolve. And trust me, there are many choices. In Belize, monthly is 5,850, making yearly 7,080. That means you'll be getting money. Even though computer science remains a male-dominant field, many efforts are made to recruit female computer scientists. The field has tried to appeal more female employees by improving longer maternity leaves and better work-life balance for working moms. But what makes this field have less female influence? Researchers find it hard to pinpoint the direct reason why for the lack of female computer science majors. They suspect that the introductory to the courses play a big role in discouraging them from majoring in computer science. They see less emphasis is placed on developing computer science skills in girls that make us lag behind our male counterpart. Even in Belize, only 12% of women actually become graduates. Another factor, female students lack role models, as most leaders in the field are male. Researchers are not sure how to still solve this problem, but encourage educators and parents to work together to help their children maintain confidence and curiosity in this STEM subject. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoy.